What do we call it when sudden cardiac arrest happens right after a blunt hit to the chest with no penetration? That's Commotio cordis. Yeah, it's a rare thing, especially in athletes, but you have to recognize it instantly. First, what's the underlying pathology? Well, it's sudden death triggered by ventricular fibrillation, where the heart's lower chambers just quiver instead of pumping. And importantly, this happens without any damage to the ribs, the sternum, or the heart muscle itself. Second takeaway. Who's most susceptible here, and does the timing of the impact actually matter? Okay, so it's most common in younger folks. Think kids between 5 and 15 years old. Their chest walls are more flexible, right? So the force goes straight to the heart. Now, the timing is incredibly specific. The hit has to land during this tiny window, the upstroke of the T wave in the heart cycle. We're talking just 1 to 3% of the whole cycle duration, super narrow window. Finally, how much force are we really talking about? You might be surprised, the energy needed isn't that high. Estimates are around 50 joules is enough to trigger VFib. Just for comparison, a standard karate punch, that can deliver up to 450 joules. So yeah, you can see how sports like soccer, baseball, or lacrosse could easily reach that threshold. Recognizing that specific timing window and the low energy needed is absolutely key for spotting and preparing for this event.